Good morning, guys. I just want to make a quick little reminder video as we roll, at least for those of you that are in the US, we roll into Thanksgiving tomorrow. How important it is to once in a while turn all this stuff off, turn off your DAW, turn off YouTube, turn off the sort of work mode, the productivity mode, and just go be with your family, just go be with your friends, just go be with the people you truly care about. I know this year with COVID, everybody's making their own choices as to how much of that they really want to do, and obviously you make your own choice for yourself, whatever you're comfortable with. But in any way that you can get a little bit of that socializing and that connection with your friends and family, take the time to do it. You will always be able to come back to this stuff. This stuff is always going to be there, ready for you. You can come back and work as soon as the holiday is over, but your family, your friends, they're not always going to be there, right? And so we just need to make sure that we have our priorities straight. This is from somebody being in this business 12 years. Many times missing some birthdays, missing some gatherings, missing some get-togethers that I don't say I regret, but I definitely know that there was a price to pay. There was definitely a consequence for missing out on some of the things that I chose not to attend. And it was because I was so glued to my work and so glued to my career that I missed out on some really important stuff. And I want to just give this little bit of a warning to you, and maybe just more of an encouragement that it's okay to take some time off, especially during the holidays, especially during a time when we've had one of the most chaotic, unpredictable, crazy years pretty much in history. It's a really good time to just kind of center yourself, get back to center. Now, I know, hanging out with your family sometimes is not the most centering experience, and it can actually send you spiraling off. But, do your best to try to be as patient, as kind, as forgiving, and as present as you can with those around you that really matter to you. And the other benefit that you might not be aware of is that, the more that you're able to do that, the more that you're able to carve out some time that's just, turning off the music, turning off sync licensing, and just, being present with your family and friends, you'll actually find that you're kind of rejuvenating yourself. And so when you do come back after the holiday, you're going to feel that much more energetic and ready to even work harder than you did before. But you got to find that balance for yourself, whatever it is. But I do know that for myself, the balance was not just constantly working, just constantly cranking out tracks all over and over and over again, skipping on, hanging out with my friends, hanging out with my family. That was not the right balance for definitely not for me. And probably for most of you guys, that's not going to work out in the long run. You're going to find that you regretted it, that it wasn't the choice you really wanted to make. So it's okay. And it's great to just take some time off and be with your family for the holiday. So that's the quick little video message I wanted to share with you guys today.